Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. Other measurement used to determine the file size or files. HTML codes and Microsoft Frontpage use of programs if you want to create websites. Do you have any idea of a computer programmer struggle? If you don't, then I am here to tell you. Identifying the bugs of the codes that you type. In order for the program to run, you have to fix those bugs. Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. Other measurement used to determine the file size of files. HTML codes and Microsoft Frontpage use the program if you want to create websites. Are you using Microsoft Visual Basic, Visual.NET, C++, or JavaScript? Another struggle is connecting the program to a database, but all your hard work is worth it in the end. Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. Other measurement used to determine the file size of every files. HTML codes in Microsoft Wordpage use those programs if you want to create websites. Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. Other measurement used to determine the file size of every files. HTML codes in Microsoft Frontpage use the programs if you want to create websites. Back then we were using diskette, CDs, DVDs, USB flash drives in order for us to save a lot of files. But now we're using micro SDs. The capacity can reach up to 5 terabytes. Back then we were using CDs, DVDs, USB flash drives in order for us to save a lot of files. But now we're using micro SDs. The capacity can reach up to 5 terabytes. Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. The measurement used to determine the file size of every files. HTML codes on Microsoft Wordpage use the programs if you want to create websites. Byte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte. The measurement used to determine the file size of every files. HTML codes on Microsoft Frontpage use the program if you want to create websites. Back then we were using CDs, diskettes, DVDs, USB flash drives in order for us to save a lot of files. But now we're using micro SDs. The capacity can reach up to 5 terabytes. Back then we're using diskettes, CDs, DVDs, USB flash drives in order for us to save a lot of files. But now we're using micro SDs. The capacity can reach up to 5 terabytes. The title of the rap song that I wrote is A Computer Programming Struggle. I'll be like, bye.